Welcome back to Sells Like Hotcakes video course. In this short video, we're going to talk about product photography. In many cases, Amazon requires you to have a white background for your main image. How do you do that? First of all, you can hire a professional photographer, or you can even do it directly in China. Usually the factory or sourcing agent will give you such contacts or maybe even provide such services themselves. What they usually will do is hire a professional photographer, share a sample with them, and will provide you with everything else. But in case you want to save some money and you don't want to hire a professional photographer, what you can do is take nice photos yourself, which is not as hard as you might think. What you need is simply to have this kind of white material, a white sheet, maybe even a bed sheet. Yep, it could even be a sheet from your bed. You put it like this, like you see on the screen. Let me show you a couple of other examples. Here you can see this is not a professional studio. It's just a white sheet of material that is hanging on a couple of chairs on the floor. You do this kind of angle, a smooth angle, so there is no clear background shown on the image. Then you photograph the product in different angles like this, and like this. You can do it even with your smartphone. Most modern smartphones today have a great camera. Then you do a couple of close shots to show the detail of the product and the quality of the material. Then you show other colors as well. Now in yellow. This is for another product. Again, different colors and angles. Then they can be bundled together in different combinations, the same way we do it for iPhone cases. Take a closer look how to use it with the finger. Then we clean up the background in Photoshop. We simply remove all the details from the background and it becomes white with high contrast. You see, it looks really clean now. The same for the other colors. You can clean up such photos on Fiverr for $5 if you don't know how to Photoshop. Then you can show an example of use like this in the bag or purse. Then I use Shutterstock.com to find related photos that I can buy and use as lifestyle photos. You see, my product images are really nice and professional. Then I combine everything together with some Photoshop magic to make really nice professional photos for Amazon. I add the text and marketing details and add the main features. I can show comparisons of my product with other products. I can show, for example, that it flips and doesn't break. I can show the use of the umbrella, how it looks in the purse, and I show how it opens automatically, that it's very strong, and that it has strong water repellent abilities. Here I combine Shutterstock images and several product shots together to make nice Amazon shots. Here is a closer look of open and closed, and here is a guarantee. It's always good to have a guarantee on one of your product images for Amazon. You could also do some lifestyle photos of someone using your product. This is also a good example of real-life use of your product. That's it, guys. I hope you found it helpful and that you don't need to even hire a professional photographer. All you need is a white sheet or cloth and a couple of chairs and basic Photoshop skills to go from this to amazing photos like this that are ready to use on Amazon. And don't listen to snobs that tell you that you must spend thousands on professional photography. Don't overcomplicate it. Just make it nice, easy, and clean. It's not that hard at all. I hope you found it helpful and I will see you in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.